am Anupa. We all love cheesy pasta, don't we? And how about making a mac and cheese? So I'm going to show you an easy recipe of how to make mac and cheese easily at home. So now what do? Let's get a nice heavy pan. Pan is getting heated and into this I'm going to add some butter. Let the butter melt. Into this butter, now we're going to add some flour. What I have done is I have used a heavy pan so that the sauce doesn't stick to the bottom. While I have kept the flame low, I'm continuously stirring this. And now what we'll do is we'll add in some milk. Add some milk, keep on whisking. Add some milk, keep on whisking. Well, we want the consistency of the sauce to be quite saucy, which means it should be like a pouring consistency. So let's add in salt, followed by some black pepper. Now just look at the sauce, it's started to thicken up. Now let's start adding in the veggies, the pepper, some corn, and now let's add in macaroni. And after you add in the macaroni, mix this, mix it up. Oh, it looks so pretty. All that we have to do now is add in the cheese, and not just little loads of it. And all the cheese that we've grated, spread it around like this. Let's place the lid. So let's wait for 10 minutes to see how the cheese melts. You know what? I can actually get the aroma of cheddar cheese mixed with the peppers. It's amazing. Serve it in a bowl. And some pepper. Do try this recipe of mac and cheese because it's stringy, it's cheesy and it's delicious.